Okay, here I am with Hammer. Got a buddy on out here who's gonna toss out a live flyer, shoot it down, and I'll send him on out to a diversional bird. I'll end up shooting here on the backside for the second bird. Let's go. Hammer! There you go, buddy. Got a nice bird. Good boy, buddy. Attaboy. A little late. No idea that another bird went out. Okay, well, okay, good boy. Thank you for this bird. Good. Leave it. Okay, here. Okay. Fetch it up. Hammer, go fetch it up. Fetch it up. Back. Catching a lot of that other bird dragback scent in the water. Now he's upwind from the bird, so gonna make it kind of tough. Hey. We get lucky. Ah, you got the other bird. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Hammer.